about. For better or for worse, I can't believe you let me down. But the bruise in the way it hurts. For months on end I've had my doubts, denying every tear. I wish this would be over now, but I know that I still need you here. You say I'm crazy, 'cause you don't think I know what you've done. But when you call me baby, I know I'm not the only one. I have loved you for many years. Maybe I am just not enough. Oh yeah, you made me realize my deepest fear by lying and tearing us up. You say I'm crazy, 'cause you don't think I know what you've done. But when you call me baby, I know I'm not the only one. I know I'm not the only one.
Let us hear from the judges, starting with Version. Version.
You can't make him sing it one more time. Because me don't listen to him for the whole night, you know. Listen, Sam Smith, no have nothing for you. Here. Big up yourself. Bad.
Anthony.
Man.
Yeah, when you do that little tippy-toe routine, I know you're getting into it. And that's how we want to see the contestants start. This is the show before the final show, and this is you have to give it all. He gave it his all. That's a powerful start.
Conroy.
You know, Sharp Boss has the style, so there's the tippy-toe, but there's also the shake. There's like a shake thing there. And but you sound good, and you epitomized when I said give it everything, and that's what that performance did. You gave it everything.
Alaine.
Yes, Short Boss, the Short Boss shimmy. Let's come on to the Short Boss shimmy. Hey. What I know about your life, Short Boss? First of all, left the lady, if you're not the only one here, she doing good. You are awesome, your vocals were on point, you growl, you walk around, you own the stage, you come to win, Short Boss.
Thanks, judges.